The success of every family lies in their recognition and support for the bearer of the family grace. Hello everyone, my name is Billy Gomez and I am your brother and friend in prosperity. It is important for us to understand that through some divine arrangement, the grace of every family often rests on a chosen individual. And this individual is never aware of this grace from birth. This individual becomes the conduit through which blessings, wisdom, and guidance flow to uplift the family. The grace bearer carries the potential to transform all the family members. Only one person from a family can be chosen. That's why we see God chose to send only Jesus Christ alone to save the entire world. But unfortunately, we live in a world where everyone wants to be the head and no one wants to support who the cap fits anymore. Instead of fighting the bearer of the grace, if family members can recognize and rally behind him or her, it will be a game changer for all families because their role has far-reaching effects on the collective well-being of the family unit. I urge every family to be mindful of the divine design that often places the mantle of grace on a chosen individual. Let's transcend our ego and recognize that the grace bestowed on one is a gift to be shared. And let us all foster a spirit of unity, understanding, and support within our families, acknowledging that the success and well-being of one are intertwined with the success and well-being of all. Let the recognition of grace within our families be a catalyst for love, unity, and shared prosperity. By rallying behind the one carrying the grace, we unlock the true potential of family bond and create a legacy of divine blessings for generations to come. Always remember, truth is the greatest religion.